Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have solved 3 questions of exercise number 1.4. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is multiply the following matrices. First we solve part A, which is 2, 3, 1, 1, 0 and minus 2, 2, minus 1, 3 and 0. So this is 2, 3, 1, 1, 0 and minus 2 multiplied by 2, minus 1, 3 and 0 equals to 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3, 0 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. Now 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0, 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0, 0 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 0, which will be equals to 4 plus 9 minus 2 plus 0, 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 0, 0 minus 6, 0 minus 0, which will be equals to 13 minus 2, 5 minus 1 minus 6 and 0, and this is the answer of part A. Simply we just multiply both matrices. Part B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, minus 1 and 1. So solution is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3 and 6 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1 and 1, which will be equals to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 1, 4 into 1 plus 5 into 3 plus 6 into minus 1. The next is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1, 4 into 2 plus 5 into 4 plus 6 into 1. It will be equals to 1 plus 6 minus 3, 4 plus 15 minus 6, 2 plus 8 plus 3, 8 plus 20 plus 6 which will be equals to 4, 13, 24 and 34. This is the answer of part B. Next we will solve C part of question number 4, and the C part is 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 4 and 1 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which will be equals to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 4, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 5, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5, sorry, 4 into 4, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 6, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 4, minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 5, minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 6. It will be equals to 1 plus 8, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 12, 3 plus 16, 6 plus 20, 9 plus 24, minus 1 plus 4, minus 2 plus 5, minus 3 plus 6, which will be equals to 9, 12, 15, 19, 26, 33, 3, 3 and 3. This is the answer of part C. It is a simple multiplication of two matrices. Now we solve part D, and the D part is 8, 5, 6 and 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 4 and 4. The multiplication will be equals to 8 into 2 plus 5 into minus 4, 8 into minus 4 by 2 plus 5 into 4, 6 into 2 plus 4 into minus 4, 6 into minus 5 by 2 plus 4 into 4. So it will be equals to 2 and 8 can be cancelled, and 2 3s are 6, so this can also be cancelled. Now it will be equals to 16 minus 20 minus 20 plus 20, 12 minus 16 minus 15 plus 16, 20 cancel with minus 20, so it will be equals to minus 4, 0, minus 4 and 1. This is the answer of D part. Now we solve E and the last part, which is equals to -1, 2, 1 and 3 multiplied by 0 matrix of order 2, which will be equals to -1 into 0 plus 2 into 0, -1 into 0 plus 2 into 0, -1 into 0 plus 3 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 3 into 0. It will be equals to 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. It will be equals to 0, 0, 0 and 0, all the 0 matrix of order 2. Now we move toward the next question. In addition, we prove some rules. Like addition, the multiplication also have some rules in matrices, and this is the associative law under multiplication. The associative is, if A, B and C are three matrices conformable for multiplication, then associative law under multiplication is given as AB into C is equals to A into BC. Associative law under multiplication is, if A, B and C are three matrices conformable for multiplication, then associative law under multiplication is given as AB into C will be equals to A into BC. What is the conformable? Conformable means it can be multiplied. Both matrices, or there are three matrices, so they can easily multiply with each other. It means two matrices are conformable if and only if the number of columns of first matrix is equals to number of rows of second matrix. So it is the conformable. Okay. Now we move toward the next law. And the next law is distributive law of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Let A, B and C be three matrices then distributive laws of multiplication over addition are given below. A into B plus C is equals to AB plus AC, and A plus B into C will be equals to AC plus BC. This is the left distributive law, and this is the right distributive law. Okay, similarly the distributive law of multiplication over subtraction are given below. This is A into B minus C, which will be equals to AB minus AC. This is the left distributive law, and the other is A minus B into C will be equals to AC minus BC. This is the right distributive law. In this video we have done question number 3, and also we learn some rules of multiplication. So for question number 5, watch my next video. Allah Hafiz.